Welcome back. Goa is now playing host to its second international table tennis tournament after the first event finished on Monday at the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium. 4 Goans will be on show in the ongoing Global Cadets and Juniors event at the multipurpose indoor stadium at the Goa University complex. The world-class infrastructure created for Lusophone Games has attracted these table tennis events to Goa. Next year's Commonwealth Championship can also be allotted to Goa.
8 countries are participating in the Global Cadets and Juniors Table Tennis Championships at the multipurpose indoor stadium that was built for the Lusophone Games earlier this year. The talented youngsters on show also include Goa's Tanisi Kirtani, Urmila Mendse, Vasily Rosario and Siddhant Parekh. TTFI Secretary Dhanraj Chaudhary gave details of the event.
First 2 days is the team championship for junior boys and cadet events. There are 2 categories here. One is the junior categories under 18 and another, one is the junior category under 18, another is the cadet category under 15, both in boys and girls sections. So team championship, after team championship there will be a singles and doubles event. And this event carrying a prize money of $8,000 both for boys and girls.
Goa Table Tennis Association is looking to benefit from the host of international events to further their development plan that also includes a residential academy at Kampal.
We have an academy in Goa for which we need the active cooperation of the state government, the Federation and Sports Authority of India. We have already approached CM with a proposal to have a residential academy at the indoor stadium at Kampal.
Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Pink was the colour. Centuries old tradition of Gulal was celebrated at Zambolim on Tuesday with fervour and joy. This is one of the most glorious traditional event of Dambab. People, especially youth, enjoy this festival. Have a look.
Sri Lakshmi Narayan Maharaj ki Sri Lakshmi Narayan Maharaj ki
लक्ष्मी नारायण महाराज की लक्ष्मी नारायण
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.